Today's message is from Archangel Sandalphon. Atatatia-ka-ta-ta-tia-ka-ka-ka-ka. Thank you, Sandalphon, for delivering my prayers to heaven. Akatatatia-ka-ka-totokoko-tia-ka-ka-ta-ta-tia-ka-ka-ka-ka. Yasha-tokoko akatatata. Ashata-katia-kato. Akata-tita-ka-ka-ka-ka-tokoko. Through adversity, the qualities within you of resilience have upshifted and strengthened you. Akatatia katatatakoko. There is a widening of your spectrum, of your sphere, an expansion as such in what you can hold space for and what you can ultimately receive. Atatatita-kakakato. Ashatia-kakatia-kakatokoko. Akatata-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti vastness of spirit, your spiritual essence. You are growing to achieve great things faster than ever before on your spiritual path. Atatatitakato. Akatatatata. You are accessing greater levels of love than has previously been possible in this paradigm. Atatatatitakatatakakotukoko. This is because of the great work you are doing as a collective on this planet in this time. Atatatatitakatatako. Akatatatitatatatatatako. We thank you immensely for this great work. Akatatatitakatatokoko. Akatatatitakato. Akakatata. Akatatata. Akatatatitako. Akatatatatitakakakako. The more you move into joy and spontaneity as a spark of the divine creator that exists within all of you, you map out higher level pathways for those around you to also step onto. Atatatatitakatatoko. Atatatatitakatatoko. Akatatatitakatatoko. Akatatatitakatataka. The Twin Flame Collective has a strong purpose in this respect. Atatatatitakatatakato. Akatatatata. As they represent and inherit and perpetuate the unity consciousness. Akatatatitakatatoko. 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 Akatatatitakatataka. Akatokokokoko. Akatayakatokokoko. Akatayakatatakakaka. This expansion into unity consciousness and higher love spectrums enhances the perpetuation of love as it disseminates down into the earth grids and the lower paradigms and rises up relationship dynamics and self-love and harmony between communities peace on the planet, atatatatakatukukukukuk, atatatatatatatata, and the movement into higher values and higher perceptions. Atatatatatatatitaka, atatatatitakatukukukukuk, akatatatatitaka, akatatatatitakatukukukatiatiatiatiatiatiakotuku, akatatatatatatia to 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 to. The light and love spectrums now available on the earth have rapidly changed and altered. This is an organic process of both the earth and the light workers. In a unified mission and divine flow that moves through, informing each at an individual level of the organic, joyful undertakings aligned to their soul mission that enhances the whole via the unity spectrum. Feel now as those unity energies penetrate through the crown chakra, through the nervous system and down the spinal column. Feel how your confidence and ability to follow your path that is connected and unified and a single movement through the unity consciousness and into your individual vessel. Feel how that animates your vessel and activates your community and your endeavours, whilst being in perfect harmony with the collective consciousness and the collective movement as a single movement through multiple unified vessels, of which you are a joyful participant. Akatata titakakatuko. Akatata titakakatatakakaka. Akatata titakakatutokotati takatakatakatotokutitakakatoko. Akatata titakakaka. Feel as those remembrances and those geometric information codes permeate through the cells of the physical body and align the body more fully to the high spectrums of unity, love and peace that are now available in the current paradigm. As you integrate this, it enables the next level of expansion, the next ascension wave, to more fully be accessible and integrated in your systems. It's part of this upward movement in the ascension process. Atatita takatita kaka. Atatatita kaka. Much blessings and infinite love to you.